What I'm working on is a Indian Scout. I have it off the ground on a jack. I'm going to be removing the front wheel. You're going to need a 6mm. There is a little pinch bolt on here on the bottom of the fork. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Okay, now that I have that pinch bolt out of there, I put a jack to hold the tire up, and this is a 5/8 hex here. I didn't have one, so I just made one with a bolt here, and I'm going to unscrew the axle and then tap it out. What's going to happen is there's spacers in here that are going to fall out as well. So once I get this axle taken out, the other side, I'm going to just use this brass strip punch and tap the axle through. Okay, support this, pull the axle out, then we're going to go ahead and drop the jack down and then slide it out of the brake caliper there, and you do not want to touch the brakes after that. Okay, just put the axle in there and the pinch bolt. Now we can take our tire in and have them replaced. Okay, got fresh rubber on here. We're going to take the spacers here, place them back in on each side here. It's helpful if you take and remove the caliper here, and we'll slide that back on after we get the wheel mounted. So we'll take this off of here. Okay, I have a little piece of wire holding the caliper, not from the hose. Now we'll go ahead and put the tire up there. Okay, place the jack under there. Got a few threads started on the axle. Now we can go and tighten the axle up. Okay, got that axle tightened up there. Now we'll take our pinch bolt here, put that in there, tighten it up, and then on the other side we'll go and do our caliper. My little wire out of there. We'll slide this on there. Now that I got those tightened up, I want to take our jack out of here.